Hey everybody, Sam with MoPros here. Today I wanted to give you a little look at one of the properties that we come and clean and maintain and fix up about twice a year. We have a few of these accounts where we come and do the color change out, trim all the bushes, replace any plants that need to be replaced, and just keep the property looking good. Planted some summer annuals here, also some tropical hibiscus. We remulch the flower beds. This is one of our good customers that we get to do this for twice a year. So if you have a property and you might not necessarily need someone to come out every month or every week, but you want someone to come out a few times a year and just freshen things up, add mulch, put in some color, we are the company to call. We trimmed up this giant Nolina. It was down to the ground and limbs. Looks great now, you can see it. It's a really cool property. We love coming here. It already has a great look, and we're honored to be able to put a little bit of our touch on it, add some things here and there. Beautiful fountain here with some good color around it. All right, let's go check out the front. And here's the front of the property. Have some beautiful palm trees, some sable palms, sago palm here in the corner, and yucca rostrata down on that end. And again, we came in here and added some annual color, freshened up the mulch, added some beautiful tropical hibiscus back in this corner. Look at that color. Overall, it's a great property to work at. And if you have a property that needs to be maintained on a yearly or bi-yearly schedule, and you want to add some color and some life to your flower beds, please give us a call.